In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatgpt as the ultimate AI writing tool. If you're looking to enhance your writing process with a brilliant AI companion, you've come to the right place. We'll walk you through everything you need to know, from starting a new chat to refining your drafts with precision. First things first, you need to open Chatgpt. It's your digital workspace and where all the magic begins. Make sure you're logged in and ready to start crafting your ideas. Once you're in, the next step is to create a new chat. Think of this chat window as your creative canvas where you'll exchange ideas with your AI partner. Now, let's treat Chatgpt like your creative partner. This tool isn't just about typing in words, it's about engaging in a collaborative process. Encourage Chatgpt to help mold your thoughts, offer suggestions, and provide inspiration when you need a little extra push to get things flowing. A crucial step before diving into writing is to outline before you draft. Creating an outline not only provides structure to your thoughts, but it also helps you and Chatgpt stay organized. An outline acts as a roadmap, guiding your writing journey from beginning to end. When it comes to interacting with Chatgpt, be clear and concise with your prompts. The more precise you are, the better Chatgpt can assist you in reaching your desired outcome. Clarity and communication ensures that the AI understands exactly what you're hoping to achieve, so take a moment to think about how you want to phrase your requests. Next, don't overlook the value of using Chatgpt for pre-writing and research. This tool can be your secret weapon for gathering information, brainstorming ideas, and exploring different perspectives before you commit to your draft. Allow it to help you set the stage for your writing, ensuring you have a solid foundation to build upon. Once your draft is done, it's time to treat it like a professional copy editor would. Chatgpt can help with revising, catching errors, and refining the tone to match your objectives. Be sure to review its suggestions carefully and make any necessary adjustments to polish your work to perfection. If your project requires visuals or additional files, you can easily add these by clicking the plus icon to upload images or other documents. This feature is especially useful for integrating multimedia elements into your writing, adding depth and engagement to your content. By following these steps, Chatgpt becomes a versatile tool in your writing toolkit. With each project, you'll find yourself becoming more adept at leveraging this AI to streamline your workflow and elevate the quality of your writing. So unlock the potential of Chatgpt and watch your writing soar to new heights.